Hello guys, welcome to a new video. So in this video I'll be introducing you guys to a new video editor, SHOTCUT. So right now I'm editing my videos using that app. It's free, it's open source, it is powerful, it's fast, it's easy to learn. So I'll be giving some basics, I'll be showing some basics about how to start in that. So without further delays, let's get started. So now we'll open the SHOTCUT app. So creating a new project. Okay, so we'll name it as test video 1. So we can choose from a variety of options from 720p to 4K, 60 fps, a lot of options. So I'll go with full HD 30 fps and start. This is playlist. Here we can add files like videos, audio, or we can add here. And then from there we can just drag to the timeline at the bottom. So I'm just copying an audio file and a video file. So it is recorded using my mobile phone, full HD. So this is an audio file. Simply can drag and drop here. So now we will drag these files to the timeline to start the work. Okay, that's a workspace where you edit, where you cut, all the things are done actually. Okay, so we can just increase, make the timeline a bit bigger because you need more space to work, right? Okay, so we wrote an audio track here so that you can add the audio files. You can just drag and drop the audio files in that section. Make sure that's synced, the position is correct, just ensure that. So now both the files are in the timeline. Now we will so we can remove the audio, or we can remove the video, or you can even lock the video. Then I want to cut this portion, this particular portion, so I'll be I'll be selecting the clip. I'll show how to cut the clip. See. Okay, so it's split into two subclips now. So you can remove one clip, or you can combine, you can do both. So I'll be removing a small portion, that is this portion I'm removing. So again you can split the clip. Okay, pause there, I'm gonna split it again. Okay, so now I'll remove the middle portion. Right click, remove. Yeah, so this portion is removed entirely, and now we'll play, we'll check. Okay, that's done. So now we'll go to filters. You have to select the video first, and then you have to add filters. A lot of options, color grading, brightness, contrast, so you can choose whichever you want. The video will have different filters. So this app is where you can explore a lot. So now I'm doing the color grading, which is my favorite for it's essential thing. So you have to color grade your clips. So I'm 3 options: shadows, midtones, and there is a highlight section in the third one. So you can adjust that and give the video a dramatic look. So completely change the video clip. Exactly, you can just give it a dramatic look, or it's up to you. You can choose the color, temperature, all the stuff. So right now we'll apply into it. See the difference? So you can do it on the mobile phone, but you won't get this perfection, the one in mobile applications. See the difference. Now you'll see contrast. You can increase the contrast, reduce the contrast. It's like self-explanatory, like this, like you did like photo editing, you can change these aspects. Okay, that's right, you can see the difference in color temperature. Now we'll just split the clip into two, and we'll just reset the filters for one section, so we'll know the difference. So I'm going to reset the second portion of the clip. Again, reset midtones and reset highlights. Okay, now we'll play the clip. Okay, contrast all be reset. Okay, see the difference with editing, without editing. So a lot of difference there. Now we'll export the clip. Out of options, see. You can export in whichever format you want, like so we can decide the quality, the format. So this, okay, you can go for MP4, MKV, AVI, WMV. So I'm choosing MP4 right now and click export. So okay, first you have to save the file. Okay, whatever name. So export started, you can see it there actually in the game job file, and you can cancel if you want actually.
Okay guys, so there is a video about SHOTCUT. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. So any feedbacks you can put in the comment section, and place in the next video. Bye.